Hey y'all, what's up? I'm looking super crazy. It's Memorial Day and it's not even 7 a.m. yet, and I'm already up doing my hair. It's wash day! I know I look like I've lived a hard life, but I have. Today I want to try something new. I mean, it's not really new, it's new to me. There's tons of videos on YouTube all about it, raving about its hair growth abilities, raving about how it moisturizes dry natural hair. So I wanted to try the aloe vera pre-poo. I know it's weird, I've never tried it. Y'all know I live in the Caribbean, there are tons of aloe vera plants outside, and still I'm basic. So today I'm gonna try it out, see what it does on my natural hair, and I just wanted to take you along with me. That all right? That all right? That okay? So let's get into it. I got my knife and we're ready to go. These are browner because it hasn't been raining. This is what I have. I have an entire farm. Hopefully when it starts raining again, they'll look a lot better. I mean, I could water them myself, but I don't want to be a plant mom. So we can just cut off a little bit of this. As you can see, these are a bit smaller than the ones on YouTube. These are tiny island plants, so I'm gonna have to cut more if I want to get a lot of aloe out of them, because they're also not thick at all. They're pretty thin. So I'm gonna cut a bunch and we're gonna go from there. Haha! Success! It is aloe time! Now let's discuss how aloe vera can help us achieve booty crack length hair. Y'all know that is the goal. Aloe vera is a superior detangler that conditions dry natural hair and leaves the hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth and treats the scalp to prevent itchiness and dandruff. Even though aloe vera is obviously bomb, it does have a downside. It contains a yellowy substance in it known as aloin or aloe latex, which is actually a poison that can do more harm than good. When ingested, it can cause abdominal pain, diarrhea, or even liver failure. On the skin or the scalp, it can cause itchiness or even rashes, and y'all, ain't nobody got time for that. But the good news is that you can remove the latex from the aloe. All you gotta do is let the aloe vera sit upside down in a cup of water for 20 or 30 minutes, and you're going to remove that poison. So that's all I did. I just put it into my little blender cup and I let it sit. If you purchase your aloe in the store, this may be something that you don't have to worry about, but still, I would still do it just in case, so we ain't got no problems with itchiness. And after letting the aloe sit for 20 to 30 minutes, you can see how it completely changed the color of the water. It kind of looks like the pee of a man that just drinks Hennessy and Coke and no water. I'm just saying. So let's prepare the aloe. We're going to focus on just the fattiest piece of the aloe plant, which is the bottom half. That thinner piece really doesn't have much gel, but don't worry, we're going to save it for later for another video. I'm going to show you how to use that. So I just continued that process throughout, focusing on the fattiest piece. My aloe is already thin from it just being a smaller plant, so I do need to get that fattier pieces of the plant. And I'm using 5. You don't have to use 5, but I am, because again, I have small little baby plants, and I know my nails look ratchet. I actually need to get a fill every 2 weeks. My nails grow out that fast, but y'all don't watch enough ads for that. Nah, my nail lady was actually coming over that day, but I wanted to get this video out, so excuse my rachina nails, y'all. And you want to remove the prickly or thorny parts of the aloe, because it can really get you and stick you a little bit. So remove that part, but stick to the sides as much as possible. You don't want to dig in too deep and really waste the aloe, so be very careful during this part. And I just continue to do this on every single piece of my aloe vera. So in this video, I'm going to show you three ways I tried to remove the gel from the plant. I first tried using a peeler because I was like, girl, just use a peeler, that's gonna be easy. At first it seemed like it was really going to work, and then it took a turn. So just be better than me and don't try to use a peeler because it not work. Then I tried cutting my aloe in pieces and cutting off the skin on both sides with my knife. And you don't want to be using a Dollar Tree or Walmart knife for this. You want to make sure you're using a decent quality knife because this is a hospital bill and insurance claims waiting to happen. So just be careful. But yeah, I would not advise trying to cut off the skin with a knife on both sides. It just doesn't really work well. I was just trying different ways to be as quick as possible. So this is the way that most people do it on YouTube, and of course I'm hard-headed, so it took me a while to get here. I ended up just using a spoon. I cut off one piece of skin and then I just used a spoon to scoop it out. It is tried and true that this is actually the best way to do it because I've tried many other ways and this was the easiest. Even though it is the easiest, I won't say it's easy by any stretch of the imagination. I found removing this damn aloe from the plant to be really difficult, to the point where next time I just want to try rubbing the plant directly on my scalp because this was not fun for me. This actually took a long time. After going through my 5 plants, it's time to grind the aloe up. I'm using a grinder food processor thing. I will link it down below. You can use a blender. Just be careful because if you blend it too much, it's actually going to become aloe juice and it won't be jelly and gooey. So just be careful, take your time, post it if you need to, but you don't want to do it for too long because we're not trying to get aloe juice. We're trying to get that nice, gooey, slimy stuff. And of course, I'm going to strain it. I'm using a nut milk bag. You can use a cheesecloth. You can use a t-shirt. I love my nut milk bag. I use it for everything but creating milk. And that's what it looks like after squeezing the hell out of it. You can see all these pieces that are left in it. Those pieces would have been in my hair and a pain to rinse out of my curly hair. So I suggest that you strain your aloe too if you're going to go this route versus just putting the plant on your head. And I wanted to give you a texture shot of this loveliness. Like, oh, I just love the texture. It's just so, it's so amazing. Now I'm just going to decant the aloe into an applicator bottle to make it easier to apply because this thing can get everywhere. And that's just an applicator bottle. Yeah, but let's get to applying, y'all. It has been quite a trying day, a trying morning. It took me about an hour to extract 4 ounces of gel. I'm not sure if that's normal. Y'all have to let me know down below. But from peeling to blending to extracting, it took me about an hour. And I make pre-pools a lot, and mine are a lot simpler, but y'all say this stuff works. So my hair has been twisted up for a few days now. I don't remember how many days at this point, but for a while, it's quarantine season. We're not doing too much. I mean, I'm super heavy-handed, so I don't know how far this is gonna go, but we're gonna try our best to stretch it. Maybe I don't need a lot. Alright, let's get into this. Not trying to put too much. Oop, oop. Okay, we're gonna do it on my hands because I can see this going south. Well, it's going everywhere. Oh, you don't need a lot though. You really don't need a lot. Oh, I see why y'all like this. Of course, my hair wants to tangle up. I'm always wary about pure aloe on low porosity hair because aloe makes the cuticle close, but so far I'm loving it actually. I see why y'all like it. The only con for me right now though is the time it takes to make it. Why ain't nobody tell me it takes so long? And now I'm going in with my Ayurvedic oil just to seal in the moisture and to give a little extra kick. You can mix the aloe and the oil together, but because this is my first time, I just want to do it separately to see how they work separately. Y'all see that? Once I can get my cooking time down, this could be lit. I'm already gonna start testing ways to extract the aloe better and much easier for those of us who are using a smaller plant. We just don't have the patience for all that cutting and spooning and all that. That's kind of annoying. I like simple hair care. Even though this is simple, it is time consuming, at least for me. Wow. Wow. Now I got my aloe going. Y'all gonna be mad at me, cause I'm acting brand new once I get to booty crack length. I'm gonna act brand effing new. Y'all better send some high growth fatigue, some heat damage, some color damage to stop me, because I honestly at this point will not be stopped. I love the consistency. I like how gooey it is. And you know I'm not stranger to aloe pre-poos. I make my aloe pre-poo from aloe juice, but there's really nothing like using the real plant. You're getting all the nutrients, you're getting all the minerals and all that stuff from the natural plant. And the slip is insane. You can't recreate this. Ain't no guar gum or xanthan gum in the world gonna recreate this natural bond slip. Y'all, I must say I am really super duper impressed. First of all, I'm heavy-handed, and somehow by the grace of the hair gods, I was able to apply it to my entire head, and my hair feels amazing. This is an amazing pre-poo. My hair feels so super duper juicy, okay? It feels great. I'm going to sit under my hot head for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And that's really the end of this video, y'all. I would say that aloe vera, straight from the plant, is amazing on natural hair. Like, I have a shine, I have a luster. It's bomb. The only con is how long it took me to get the fillet, like the gunk, the juicy stuff out of the plant. So definitely we'll do this again, and definitely stay tuned for more DIYs. If you enjoyed this one, definitely let me know down below. Let me know if you tried aloe vera. Have you thought about it? Does it give you a hard time too? Let me know. Talk to y'all later. Peace. This is my hair after letting the aloe sit under my hot head for 20 minutes. I have so much body, shine, and volume to my hair. My hair looks so good, it makes me want to try a twist out. I will definitely be revisiting aloe again. I just need to tweak my process to make it a bit easier. If you love aloe, if you don't love aloe, let me know down below. What has your experience been? What techniques or tips can you give me to help me out? Let me know. Talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye. Thanks for watching.